Immobiliser Fit, and it's a 2018 Discovery Sport protected with a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So if a thief got this key, done a relay attack, cloned the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. So the ignition's going to come on, but obviously it's not going to start. We just try again, foot on the brake, press the start button, ignition comes on, vehicle's not going to start. So what the customer has to do, turn the ignition on, go through a unique code, totally up to them. So for now we just have 1, 2, 3 for this video. Hear that disarm tone, we can start the car and they can drive off. Don't want to waste time with a pin code, just pair their phone up, have their Bluetooth on in their pocket, get in, start the car, it fires up straight away, they can drive off. No need to waste time with a pin code. Obviously that's just for when the phone goes flat. Day to day you probably have your phone in your pocket, start the car and drive away. If customers to change this code, what they'll do is turn the ignition on, pop their code in if their phone's not here to prove it's them. Now we'll press it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after getting our disarm tone, turn the ignition off and back on. We get 5 bleeps, it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, you could do all the way to 21 individual presses. We're just going to keep it as free for the video. We get a double bleep to confirm our code. We just repeat it for a second time. Every time we press a button we're going to get a bleep. When we're done, we get our double bleep confirmation for the second time. That means it's done. We can turn the car off. So next time you get in the vehicle, Bluetooth off obviously, we don't want that to override it, we want to show the new code. So we'll put the ignition on, you'll see the old code doesn't work, 1, 2, 3. We get no disarm tone, so we'll start again. So ignition on, this time we'll do our new code we just changed to, 1, 2, 3. Disarm tone, start the car. This is going for a service, go into the Starline key app on your phone, press and hold till it goes green, till it goes from green to yellow, let go, you get 2 bleeps. That makes this a normal vehicle, no need for a code, no need for a phone. When it goes back to Land Rover, simply hand them the key and it's a normal vehicle. You don't need to worry about the immobiliser. As long as it stays yellow in the Starline key app, you're good to go. When you get it back, press and hold till it goes back to green, 2 bleeps. As long as it stays green, your vehicle's secure. And if someone gets this key, does a relay attack, obviously it's not going to start without the code or the phone. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is Starline Pro on a 2018 Discovery Sport. Thanks for watching.